Udwara, a village by the sea located in the southern part of Gujarat, home to the earliest Parsi immigrants to India. One enters the village at Jhanda Chowk, which is the main node acting as a gathering space for the public. Abandoned houses tell evocative tales of migration and change, and the essence of Udwara can be savoured by wandering down the narrow streets and soaking in the village life. The main source of income for the village is the revitalization of old houses into lodges. Udwara is a slow-paced village that has lost its charm due to the commencement of contemporary architecture being developed. The Iran Shah Atish Behram is the most important religious center for Zoroastrians across the globe. Holding a strong historical core, the place has cultivated people on religious basis. Along the coast lay the fishermen community that was involved in fisheries. The daily activities incorporated the catchment of fishes and curing them. Hence was the village the amalgamation of Parsi history, beliefs and tradition glowing along the coastline. Be it Parsis or other community, they are well skilled in their own stream of work with interesting history, but there is a lack of platform to showcase their talents. Even though the temple is a gathering space for the Parsis, there is no such place for the communication of sharing communities. The site is located near the Jhanda Chowk, which is easily accessible by NH8. By preserving the culture and heritage, the village is refurbished through this proposal. The gate is the primary junction connecting the three zones, the retail, interpretation center and recreational, to break the monotony. In accordance to Udwara, the street resembles the Parsi community, the silent zone, including yoga space and park with a pond. The other street, resembling the mixed community, the chaotic zone, includes the food court, market and the open-air theatre. The Interpretation Center embraces the rich culture of the Parsi community. This center is located in connection to cultural, historic or natural sites which uses different means of communication to enhance the understanding of heritage. The dynamic tower acts as a landmark of this very monumental and historic village. Thus, this proposition provides the perfect composition of culture and history of this integrated village, Udwara.